Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Kings County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bayonne, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tompkinsville around 5:15 p.m. Jersey City, Secaucus and Verrazano Narrows Bridge around 5:20 p.m. Hoboken, Union City and Barge around 5:25 p.m. Battery Park, Soho, Park Slope and Bensonhurst around 5:30 p.m. Brooklyn Heights, Lower East Side, East Village and Upper West Side around 5:35 p.m. New York, Crown Heights, Midtown Manhattan, Flatbush and Central Park around 5:40 p.m. RFK Bridge, Flushing, LaGuardia Airport, Mott Haven, Forest Hills, Long Island City, Ozone Park, Jackson Heights, Canarsie and Astoria around 5:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include West Shore Express, Lincoln Center, Woodside, East Orange, Greenwich Village, Weehawken, East Newark, North Bergen, Grasmere, and Greenpoint. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Essex, and Hudson, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New York, southern Queens, and southern Nassau. A strong thunderstorm will affect southern Nassau and Queens counties. At 5:08 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Valley Stream, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles. The National Weather Service in Northern New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mercer County and central New Jersey, southern Hutchinson County and northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County and northern New Jersey, Middlesex County and northern New Jersey, Central Bucks County and southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mercer County, southern Hunterdon County and northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County, Middlesex County, Central Bucks County and southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stockton, or 18 miles northwest of Trenton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Aldbridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Saraville, North Brunswick, Ewing, Carteret, Middlesex, Princeton, Bound Brook, Manville, Matawan, Doylestown, and Byram. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Middlesex, and Somerset.